So here we have the Hotel Calypso. I've heard that this is quite a good hotel for accessibility, but I don't know, the ramps do look a bit steep. Possibly there is other ways that you can go in, I would have thought. We'll maybe come and check out on this hotel for its accessibility when I have a bit more time. Come down and do a bit more of a video in there. But they do have entertainment throughout the afternoon usually, and of an evening. Of course, there's the back of the Ambassador Hotel and the Explorers Club there. And this side we have the Wassamar. I'm not sure whether that's open or not, as it seems to have barriers across it. Maybe that's closed at the moment. As I said, it is a lovely day today. Very pleasant. Now got the Riviera. Again, I should imagine this is accessible, as you can seem to go down there and in through the door there. You can also, of course, go in through the hotel. They also have good entertainment on there. I'm going to have to talk a bit loud so that I don't get copyrighted, guys. It is a nice hotel. You could also go in through the reception. They do great food. And then, of course, we have got Uncle Ped's. Home of the great Pablo Bloom. And we also have Big Dog.
Oh, yeah, like that.
He was hoping he wouldn't get recognised.
Yeah, right.
You alright?
Yeah, you.
Yeah. So guys, that was the one and only Dazza Big Dog. Fabulous guy. If you see him about, guys, say hi. He's not scary, honestly. He will always stop and speak to you. So yeah, say hi to him, guys. He's a lovely bloke.
You're back in
So there we got curry corner. If you want a curry, you know where to go. There's lots of curry places down there. We've got the curry house, Nepali. I think the clay oven's down there as well. Yeah, clay oven as well. So fantastic if you fancy a curry, guys. Oh, this weather is just too nice. January, can you believe this? 20 plus degrees here in Benidorm, just to make everybody in the UK pig sick. Sorry, guys, but that's how it is. This lovely little bar, Bougie. It's a Dutch bar, very, very popular. especially on market days, always heaving on a market day. Great drinks and snacks. Then we've got the Duke of Wellington. That's shut at the moment for holidays until the 17th of January, it says. So it's definitely getting warm now, guys. Got the penny farthing there. Pop in for your breakfast if you're feeling peckish. And you got car park over the road, just next to the outdoor market down there. Outdoor market on Wednesdays and Sundays. Come and get all your bargains. Sometimes think the people don't like stopping. I'm always wary. Yeah, nearly been run over a few times. And poor old Marcus nearly got wiped out yesterday. Me and him had gone to the local supermarket next door to us. And we're coming back. He came round the back of a car to come into our apartment. He wasn't looking what he was doing. His wife was even stood by the car and didn't tell him to stop. The guy just started reversing the car and nearly squished my poor son. No! What a disaster that would have been. So speaking of which, while I'm on the subject of my lovely son, Benidorm at Crazy Marcus, he is a fellow YouTuber. He will be live tomorrow night over on his YouTube channel at 7 PM UK time, 8 PM Spanish time, and he will be doing a Q&A on there. So come and join in, come and have a bit of fun, find out a few things about him. Maybe you might find something out about him that you didn't know. And here we have the Primavera Louis Hotel. Another great hotel here in Benidorm. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please hit the like, hit the share, hit the subscribe, and be sure to join me on the next one.